Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two popular robot mops and vacuums in the market. In the blue corner, we have the iRobot Braava Jet M6, and in the red corner, we have the robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's dive right into the comparisons. Let's start with the price. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is priced at $449, while the robot vacuum and mop combo comes in at $739. As you can see, there is a significant price difference between the two. Now let's talk about functionality. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is designed for larger spaces and can navigate around objects and under furniture. It cleans finished hard floors, including hardwood tile and stone. With vSLAM navigation, it learns the layout of your home and builds personalized smart maps, enabling it to clean in neat, efficient rows. It can even target specific areas for hands-free mopping. On the other hand, the robot vacuum and mop combo is a 3-in-1 device that can vacuum, mop, and sweep. It comes with a 250 ml dust box and a 200 ml water tank, making it suitable for all hard floors. It also has a roller brush for easier vacuuming. With the ability to control the water output precisely, it offers both dry and wet cleaning options to meet different needs. When it comes to control, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 offers smart mapping, allowing you to decide where it cleans and when. It can even create keep-out zones to avoid sensitive areas like pet bowls or play areas. With personalized schedules, it learns your cleaning habits and suggests cleaning times, taking the burden off your shoulders. The robot vacuum and mop combo can be controlled through an app or a remote control. You can easily adjust the water output and choose between different cleaning modes. It provides a hands-free cleaning experience, allowing you to focus on other tasks. Based on online reviews, here's the overall assessment of the two products. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you buy smart.